time you got the ball. Yeah.
Oh!
Hey, stop. That's the other one shot.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Hit that. Hit that, baby.
Oh!
Cut, Dirk.
Double.
Hit that, baby. Hit that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. Nice.
Pass.
Whoa. Tired, man. It's okay. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Got him, Joey. You got him. Come on, put him on the island. You don't want it. You don't want it.
Thanks for watching my latest clip out of the Warriors basketball tournament in Linton, BC. We end up coming second, but you lose some and you win some. Remember, guys, there's a lot of great things coming your way. We got prizes coming out. We got free stuff, giveaways, a lot of great things happening on my channel. But guys, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, trying to get that 10K. All the love and support from you guys. I really appreciate all the love. Thank you. God bless.